Now, after learning what is the use of cout, let us move one step ahead and write a program in C++ to print a number. First, I will show you the same program in offline environment, and then the same program will be run in GDB compiler, that is online environment. Now, we start with the preprocessor. The preprocessor is #include iostream.h. Then it is void main. int stands for integer. I should be small over here. And number is my variable. Then int it is integer. Integer means this particular int basically is a data type. Now, what is a data type? A data type is basically what type of information I'm giving to the computer. So even the computer should be aware about it, what kind of information the user is giving. So when we write int, that is integer, computer or compiler comes to know that now the user will be giving a number without any decimal point. As you are able to see over here, 15 is a number without any decimal point. NUM is a variable. We have already learned the concept of variables in second period when we were learning about tokens, keywords. In that particular part, we have already learned what are variables. So variables are memory location that is used to store a value. And what is the value that I'm storing over here? 15. Cout is with statement, output statement, and I will be printing num. What is the value of num? 15. So the output for this particular program will be 15. Now, just showing you how it looks like. I have already clicked on C++. Over here, I will be clicking on Start Turbo C++. Then it will take few seconds. And as I have shown you in the first part also, file new. Then I require to erase all this particular part, and I will be keeping only the two header files. The two header files are iostream.h and conio.h. Conio I require if I require to clear the screen and if I am including getch in my program. So first I am writing int num equal to 15 with a semicolon, and CLR stands for clear screen. That means the entire part will be cleared. Cout is with statement and output statement with a semicolon in order to get the output without pressing. Done. Now step number 1. After writing the program, I require to save as. So I will be giving number.cpp. This particular file already exists. I'm just going to give yes. So you are able to see over here number.cpp. After saving, step number 2 is compile. How to compile? Alt and F9. We require to check whether the program contains certain errors. No, my program doesn't contain any errors, neither a warning is there. Now I'll run my program. In order to run, we require to go on run or Control F9. Alt F9 and Control F9. You are able to see the output is 15. Now if I change the number, I am putting 155. After putting 155, again I require to compile the program to check whether it contains certain errors or not. No errors. Again I'll run it. Control F9 and check what is the output for the program. The output for the program is 155. So whatever we are writing it over here automatically comes on screen. Done. Now Alt, I'm coming back to my program for the online compiler. Now this time, this is the same program that we have done. So I will be writing int num equal to what? 15, and I'm directly writing cout num with a semicolon. I require to run the program. If I run the program, you are able to see over here 15. Done. 155. Again run the program and check whether I'm getting the same output or not. Yes. Done. So in the online compiler, we don't have to touch these lines and these lines. That is #include iostream.h using namespace std, int mean, and return 0. Shouldn't be touched. It should be as it is. The only thing that we require to change is within the open curly bracket and the close curly bracket. That means I'm only putting these particular lines in my program. So this was about running the program in offline and online compiler.